In this video, I've got even more inspiration for you. Another recipe using your Pornstar Martini ingredients. Absolutely lovely. Today is a vanilla and passion fruit Caipiroska. So after the feedback I got from last week's video where I kind of took these ingredients and created kind of a passion fruit Aperol spritz, I thought I'd continue on with today's cocktail, today's recipe. It's a Caipiroska based on the Caipirinha, which obviously is Brazilian cachaça, but Caipiroska is vodka based. So I'm using a few of these ingredients, not all of the ingredients, to make this a passion fruit and vanilla Caipiroska. So I'm going to show you how to make that in a minute. There is so much fun that you can have with these 6 ingredients that you've got for your Pornstar Martinis if you follow my recipe. We've got the vanilla vodka, we've got our Passoa passion fruit liqueur, we've got vanilla sugar syrup, obviously. We've got passion fruit puree, or you could use passion fruit, fresh passion fruit. I've got lime, and I've got my Rubicon passion fruit juice that I always kind of use. I think it's a brilliant addition to the Pornstar Martini, so I absolutely love it. So then the ingredients, sometimes we might add to them like we did last week. I added Aperol to it, and well, you've got Prosecco anyway for your little shots for your Pornstar Martinis, but so I added that. This week I'm just literally using 4 of those ingredients. That's it. So just 4 of those ingredients. But just before I dive in and show you how to make the cocktail, I've got a little quick question for you. I want to know what other kind of drinks that you've made with Passoa. What have you got in your lockers at home? Are you just drinking Passoa and lemonade, Passoa and Fanta, Passoa and cranberry, or orange juice? But what other cocktails, what other things have you got going on? I will ask you about vanilla vodka another time, but today I want to know about your Passoa. So let's crack on and show you how to make this cocktail. I think this is going to be an absolute stonker over the summer. So simple, so flipping easy. And of course, you've got the ingredients anyway, haven't you? So the first thing we're going to need is we're going to need half a lime, so 3 lime wedges. I'm just going to kind of, actually, I'm going to cube them. So we've got 3 wedges, cut your lime in half, cut them into 3 wedges, and then I'm just going to cube them like that. So I've got 6 little cubes of lime going in there. Next thing, oh, lovely lime, fresh lime zest. Next thing I want is some vanilla syrup, vanilla sugar. I don't want too much of this because I'm just going to let it's kind of boost forward, but I'm just going to let the Passoa as well give it a little bit of sweetness. So I'm going for 7.5 mil. By all means, if you want to add 10, if you want to add 15, go for it. But I just think with the Passoa, 7.5 mil works for this. So there we go. Right, perfect. So vanilla. Right, and then we are going to muddle this down. So I'm just going to get all the juice out of the limes, get those essential oils out of the zest as well. So muddle, push down and twist. Don't do that, what hen parties do, because you get lime juice, you get splashback lime juice in your eye. Don't want that, that freaking hurts. So push down and twist. Get all that lovely juice out of those limes. That is amazing. You see that on a close-up? See how much juice we got out there? Perfect. Right, so I say really, really simple. I'm going for vanilla vodka, and I'm going to go for 30 ml in this. So 30 ml of vanilla vodka. And then the second ingredient is my Passoa, which is my passion fruit liqueur. And again, I'm going equal amounts. So 30 ml of Passoa in there. There we go. And that is essentially it. You could add some bitters if you want. Quarter sugar in there. There we go. Let's got it topped up. I've just got some of my little pebble ice. So crushed ice if you've got it. If you've got supermarket ice in the UK, you know that will kind of break down quite easily. So I've just got a little bit of sort of pebble ice just going in there. I don't want too much to start off with. That'll be about right. I'm just going to take my spoon and I'm just going to give it a churn as well. So bring those limes, stir that sugar through. So there we are. That's so good. Now, by all means, there's so much you could do with this. Add the pulp of a passion fruit, add some passion fruit puree, add some passion fruit juice if you want. I don't think it now. I'm just going to do this proper sort of Caipiroska, Caipiroska. What's the big one? Caipirinha. There we go. Brazilian cachaça. That's what started the cocktail. Caipiroska is obviously vodka, and Caipiroska is obviously rum. So that's all I'm sort of sticking to: booze, sugar, and lime. So I'm just going to do that. Top that up with my last bit of sort of pebble ice there. And I'm just going to give this a little final churn. There we go, lovely. And then garnish it. Passion fruit that was coming out the other day. There we go. And a straw. There we go. And that is a really simple, really easy passion fruit, vanilla and passion fruit Caipiroska. If you want to see more cocktail videos where I've used Pornstar Martini ingredients, that's flashing right up on screen there. So dive into one of those videos. And as always, if you like me, if you like this channel, give the video a big thumbs up, give it a like, and then make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a future video.